everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make cilantro lime rice. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of rice, teaspoon of sea salt, half a cup of cilantro, 1 jalapeno finely chopped, half a cup of green onions finely chopped, 3 to 4 tablespoons of lime juice, 2 cloves of garlic finely chopped, and you will also need 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. In a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Then add garlic, chopped onions, and mix well. Next, add the chopped jalapeno and mix well. Then add the boiled rice into the pan. Next, add cilantro and lime juice. Mix well. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.